Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla! Yeah, blessed my people. Dancehall skilla here again, you know. Manners and respect to each and every one. Let me start out by presenting this video to you. Alright, so first up, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened during a confrontation between at least two persons. And a part of the video gave me the understanding that two persons who was involved in the confrontation were each holding a weapon at one point. The video shows at least one person holding up one of those weapons in a certain type of way that raises concerns, viewing subscribers. See? You see what I'm saying to you? And in my point of view, those objects are those weapons that those persons were holding looks like machetes to me. I'm not sure if I should call that situation a road rage or what, viewers and subscribers, even though the confrontation and situation happened between those persons on a road. Anyways, one of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media. Let's take a look at it. You can also let me know what you think. Some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe and tell me what you think.
Our major gates. Okay? August 1st, 2024 carries the insignia or the label of 186.
So early.
Approximately 186 years. At that time, since we have gained our emancipation from chattel slavery, approximately 186. That is key. That's a major gate with serious implications, right? We cannot afford for the beast, the reprobates, to establish that gate. Because each time when you have anniversaries, especially of such vast and historic significance, it is important that the righteous men and women, the people of God, they populate those gates and establish righteous altars. They give God the praise and the glory.
We zoom in just to try and see what I go on clearly, because the motor vehicle they didn't know, but why? Django. Yo. Shano. Don't man, just walk away.
Taxi.
Walk away, man.
Yeah, police with them. Police with them.
Okay. But people, I said this enough time, you know. Without police, there would be chaos. I say it sometimes, you know. Without police, there would be chaos. You see me? Me not jump to no conclusion, but look how that look a while ago. You see me I say? But I'm telling my people, he said away, Jano. Anyways, let me know what you think about the situation, them people. Oh, and you know, walk away from a certain type of confrontation. That's one thing when me try to encourage persons to do, especially when it comes down to very hostile confrontations and situations and so forth. So let me know what you think, and if you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright, so in a video that I'm about to present to you, you can see some things that happened during an argument between at least one person and police officers from within the country of Jamaica. This video has been posted on social media, and I'm going to read some comments that have been made where the video has been posted on social media after I present the video to you, my viewers subscribers. So may I say, so in the video, one person said some words that gave me the understanding that the person claimed, or basically said that police slapped the person, along with other words as well. However, it seems as if police was saying otherwise when it comes down to certain words that have been said in the video. And when it comes down to this situation, we know that the question that some persons might ask, I said might ask, who was right from who was wrong when it comes down to this situation? So tell me, who you think right from who you think wrong when it comes down to this situation or the argument? Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Look, listen and observe. Tell me what you think. me tearing. Brother, beg you for me tearing, elder, please and thanks. Me not tell you me date of birth, elder me a deal with that. You no respect elder, so me no elder me respect. Elder, please and thanks for my tearing.
Is your date of birth?
You know, say if you did give me tearing, you would have to ask me that, elder, with all of my respect, would have given me ID long time.
The reason police come here is because why are you date of birth?
Because of
you were obstructing the police while conducting this lawful.
what you mean obstructing the police?
Disorderly conduct. Behavior out here in the public. Causing people to be disturbed while going about their lawful abode.
I mean alone did out there.
Indecent language.
I mean alone did out there. I mean alone did out there.
Or refusing to produce your name and address to the police.
Elder, you come out, this is the first thing this man can't slap me in my tongue can't tell me say me assault him.
You don't need to argue, sir. I go ask you again.
So where you try for there? Where you try for say? What charge you have? What charge you have, bro? See camera that's what record you know all about, you know. So that's you when you hit me in my chest. You hear elder? That's you when you hit me in my chest.
Where you did it?
Elder, me now give me tearing and me give you my ID, you process my ID and give back my ID too. Where you hold on for me tearing for? For what reason?
Information there.
What information?
I have this. I need a date of birth, please. And your address. But you don't know why you have to do because I don't need it.
Rest? Say again.
I said I do not need your clearance, sir.
Then what you know? A brute force you know I use, you know. Brute force you know I use. Brute force you know I use. Brute force you know I use. 1991, July 22nd. You don't assault me, you know, and see camera there. You slap me in my chest a while ago. Slap me, that's me feel it. And come and tell me, say, me assault you.
ID, please.
What if me not give me ID?
I do not know you.
But if I compound and say,
why you making? Where is it, sir? Much of July.
what do I try to do? What do I try to do, brother? What do I try to say? What do I try to do? What do I try to do?
Yeah, but you can't see police at the work and come.
Do which work? I mean, alone did all this up and did I talking to you?
So if it is they're making it,
Me just tell me the date of birth, you know.
employee, respectful,
1991, July
because guess what?
22.
Police are the lawful duty. Then after you speak to your employee, then you
Brother, me say 1991, 22. Me never say 92, me say 22. And watch out. Yo, come hold my phone, record for my phone.
If he did not, if he would have not done anything, the police would not have done it.
Love the problem.
That's not the point, sir. That's not the case here today. Yes, so you need to teach your employees so when they see police,
Hold on, pan. Make sure you record everything. Make sure you record everything.
Hey, up top the traffic in the house that you in place. I publicly tell them get pass. Because we not saying make you do
nothing. That's where me come from. I live up the years now. I used to work all a child. Just go run, you know you need to go do. Go run file, go run it, a Black River, call Black River, run it headquarters, but just go run it file.
You know, go me, I go not
you like me a gunman, brother. Me you know say before you come around this, me just around this one, see I alone, me respect around this. And you see when you come here, you assault me. That's the only thing you do when I rate, you know. You try to step out, that's why you lick me in my face. In my chest, no. You try to shield me in, you know. But you see, I do it. No. This is what I say. You try to shield me clean back. Get your hands to the man. And you see, it good force when you hand with.
camera. This when we done. This when we finish.
You just turn on the camera. You just turn on it. You just turn on it. No, after anything, turn on the camera. Just turn on the camera. That's not turn on the camera. Come on, turn on the camera.
Right now.
See camera. Yo, when you look in camera, then turn on. When you look in camera, then turn on. You just turn on the camera.
I don't want it, man. I don't nobody hide. Information.
After anything, man, turn on the camera.
You have to already done it. Okay.
Should have one of the African country there. I should have one African country there, man.
No, if you walking, don't need a brother.
All of my rights and we talk off about police, jail, and intimidate people and tell life on them. Remember, let me tell you that the camera didn't remember. There's no move on.
How you call that now? Self-defense. Move out I see. Come back in your business place, boy. Come back in your business place. Come back in your business place. Come back in your business place.
Go and go, you see a brute force where you want. You see any brute force where you want. Go and go do it. You hear? Any brute force where you want, go and go do it. You hear? You come back and slap me. You know me chest and I tell me to be assault. You find man. Keep up with your law enforcement. Keep up with your law enforcement. You hear? Brother, keep up with your law enforcement and your intimidation. That me I tell you, you hear? Right now, brother, you need to go teach them if you have respect. Go teach them look a young youth if you have respect, brother. You hear what me say? Where you go? You puff my chest. Yo, go around there so go tell me you have the camera. You puff my chest. Big man like you there so I tell lie after you lick me in my chest you there so I tell lie. Brother, for what? That me no want to do. Beat you up. You hear me say a science me deal with. You deaf? A science me deal with, brother, me not have to beat you up, man. Take set for me and you see. Take set for me and you see for my own rights. You hear? You feel like me a criminal. You can't brute force me because me a no criminal, brother. You hear? You hear?
Oh, the beat up we mention. Alright, so you see the video, my people. So let me try and read some words from some comments that I saw on social media about the video, or some comments that I made on social media about the video. Now, please bear in mind that I'm going to try and read according to I understand what I see in those comments. You see me? So please bear that in mind. So one comment from someone said, yeah man, more of them forget DIS. Police that do them job, make them work. Alright, so this comment I look like a reply. It's basically a bad word there, so and then me see YA talk. Like the person basically I say bad word, yeah talk. And then a comment from someone basically say, all you are where you come from. Alright, let me try to read another comment from someone else now, people. See? So another comment that I saw from someone said, but the man ID has on everything on it. Another comment from someone said, so why you put you hand on the man? Another comment from someone said, what is the charge? See me I say? Alright, more comment there, so some move on to another part of the comment section. Another comment from someone said, them police they are chat long with him DOAH. Another comment from someone said, then watch the ring on the officer finger too. No. Another comment from someone said, sometimes I wonder SMH. Another comment from someone said, that's why me always have my camera on me. Hey, you see camera, me tell you something, you see camera on phone and them thing there. Me I tell you, yo, trust me, it good and it bad, you know. Yeah man, it good and it bad. Camera, good and it bad. Let me see if we can go through just a little more comments. Another comment from someone said, and you put your hand on a big man. Another comment from someone said, why is he writing down his information? His e-charge. Another comment from someone said, Squaddy, come on, man. UNUH. Well, based on Jamaican, we have talk. I think that means Uno. I talk too long. Carry the man at station and charge him. That's one comment from someone there. So, let me read one more comment. Alright, so another comment from someone said, police just make up law as them go alone. But funny enough, these laws no exit uptown. Only, I don't know what that exactly, but when I say the ghetto, them take people for fool. More comments that where the video have been posted on social media, viewers and subscribers. So I say I can't really read all of them, but we just try and read some of them. You know, just to get an understanding as to what some people think about that type of situation that you could see and hear in the video that I post to you, my viewers and subscribers. So you tell me what you think, you know. Tell me what you think about the situation. Who you think might be right from who you think might be wrong when it comes down to the situation. What? Leave your comment or comments. Let me know what you think. Here's where I'm going to leave it. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?